Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Comfizz Bath Bombs. The box contains 20 different varieties of bath bombs, 10 different fragrances to provide a variety of possibilities, and 20 bath bombs to provide the best experience. Comfizz enables you to experience 20 sensational bath bombs with various uses. Each bath bomb is unique and contains a high concentration of natural organic skincare components. Bath bombs float in the water and disperse colored bubbles. Each bath bomb is made up of several colors and creates stunning colored swirls on the water's surface, providing you with a visual feast. Our bath bombs are manufactured with cruelty-free essential oils and natural fragrances, are long-lasting, mild, nutritious, and relaxing, and provide a lovely, powerful perfume. Maintain the optimum lathering effect while nourishing your skin. Bath bombs dissolve entirely in 95 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit water in about 5 minutes. Bath bombs dissolve the fastest when completely immersed in water. Ultimate Bath Time Happiness 12. Each box contains 12 different fragrances and 2.5 ounces bath bombs for women. Bubble Bath, Kids Bath Bombs, Ylang Milk Fragrances Lavender Vanilla Orange Sakura Seaweed Osmanthus Jasmine, Rose, Gardenia, and Mint. Bath bombs with bubbles. They cleanse, moisturize, and nourish your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and dewy. Give yourself a spa-like experience right at home. Our natural organic essential oil bath bombs are pure perfection, handcrafted with love and care. Bath bomb fizzies create a mesmerizing display while releasing aromatic goodness to uplift your senses and relax your mind. Number 2 in this best bath bombs list is SNIS Innovations Bath Bombs, providing you with a whole different bathing experience. When you drop them into water, they start to fizz, releasing colorful bubbles and skin-beneficial chemicals. Enjoy the tantalizing bath bomb bathing sensation while soaking in a fancy colored tub. The aromatherapy advantages will be appreciated, and the perfume will stay on your skin. If you're taking a bath in the morning, use an energizing aroma like peppermint. It awakens tired skin and a drowsy mind, preparing you to tackle the demands of the day. If you know someone who likes bath bombs, this is the ideal lavish present. If not, she or he will suddenly be a bath bomb enthusiast. Our bath bombs provide a variety of scents as well as shapes. Cute Cupcake Bath Bomb, Pure White Bath Bomb with Pink Heart, Bright Cubic and 3D Round Bath Bombs, and 2 Donut Bath Bombs. Kids Organic Bath Bombs. Our 12 bath bomb scents are packaged in a delightful box, ready to surprise and delight anyone deserving of a little self-indulgence. Spa Women's Relaxing Gifts for women who have everything. A comprehensive family treat bath set for scented holiday bathing and wellness. The bathtub or jacuzzi is an excellent location to unwind and detox after a long day at job, school, or pregnancy. Our fantastic therapeutic bath bombs collection combines kaolin clay and essential oils including lavender, peppermint, orange, and others to fill your tub with a relaxing floral smell and tranquil foam. Our third choice is AMC 5 Count Ultra Moisturizing Bath Bombs. Dr. Teal's Ultra Moisturizing Bath Bombs blend skin moisturizers with the revitalizing power of essential oils. Almond, jojoba, and sunflower oils give ultra-rich hydration, while lavender essential oil calms and relaxes the mind and body. Our kids' bath bombs are long-lasting and perfect for your hands, feet, and every inch of your skin because they are extracted from natural plants and mixed with organic essential oils. Nutrient-dense with no irritation or allergic reaction. The essence of lavender contributes to a relaxing bath experience. We are certain that our bath bomb sets will completely transform their bath time experiences. Its potent natural ingredients and aromas will revitalize your skin. This ultimate aromatherapy will make your skin glow and look attractive. To repair damaged skin, our bath bombs contain sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, jojoba and sunflower oil, adding emollients and softeners to your bath to smoothen skin and brighten complexion. These lovely colored fizzers scent bombs are infused in the same way that your favorite cosmetics or candles are, but in a ball form. As you have one of these beneficial special moments for the body before night to help you get some ZZZS on those busy days, a pleasant scent will permeate the bathroom. This vegan bath bomb set includes 12 2.5-inch fizzies for a wonderful bathroom self-care regimen. With their anxiety and stress reduction properties, these colorful bubble bombs will make you feel like royalty. After usage, your sensitive skin will feel luxuriously smooth, tranquil, and nourished. Fourth pick in this best bath bombs list is Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs. The most recent ingredient ratio enables optimum bubbling and floating. When you put it in the water, it will make a stunning visual impression. In the absence of water, natural materials have lesser activity and a longer storage time. It successfully eliminates the disadvantages of other bath bombs, which use chemical raw materials to generate internal foaming after a period of storage. Good Night, purple and green rich in lavender essential oil, rainforest yellow and green rich in lemon essential oil and special essence, lovely Cupid red, white, and green rich in lemon essential oil and milk essence. With this gift package ranking, what began as a little online company has grown into one of the most interesting new bath bomb firms on the market. Their bombs are cruelty-free, handmade, and manufactured with 100% natural components. This gift box stands out from the crowd since it includes something for everyone. After using these moisturizing bath bombs, your skin will feel smooth and silky. Each has a distinct smell and is individually created to provide a zen experience. This bundle includes 12 bath bombs that are individually wrapped. Freshly manufactured in California, USA using top USA natural ingredients, fizzes with colors, won't stain your tub. A balanced, lightweight moisturizer made with high-quality natural ingredients that will keep you moisturized without leaving your skin sticky. Our fifth and last choice is Naga Living Bath Bombs. There are 10 types of bath bombs in the box, 10 bath bombs in one box, so you have more options while enjoying the bubble bath salt ball. Just choose the one you want to use at the time. We've been looking for ways to improve bath bombs for the best consumer experiences. To hydrate the skin while maintaining the greatest fizz sensation. As the next generation of bath bombs, we reject monotony. Each bomb is unique. The high content of natural organic skincare chemicals, the density ratio is smaller than water, so it can float on the water and distribute color bubbles. Each bomb has a variety of color composition, bringing out a beautiful color whirlpool on the water to provide you with the best visual feast. Unique gift set packaging, no plastic packaging for each bath bomb, and 100% eco-friendly. The one-of-a-kind design makes it the ideal gift for mom, dad, kids, friends, and anyone else you want to present it to. All ingredients are natural organic grapeseed oil, shea and cocoa butter, organic coconut oil, and so forth. Lasting, mild, nutritious, and relaxing, with no stimulation or negative reaction. It will not create any skin irritation. It is appropriate for both regular and dry skin. It can be used on a regular basis to improve skin texture and make it smoother and more flexible.